of our school is St. Mary's Initial Learning Experience, otherwise known as Smile School Davao. It is a small school in our community with around 225 enrollees this year. Its mission is to produce good Filipino Christian leaders. Smile shifted an online education only in July 2020 because of the pandemic. So we have been using Just Too Easy for only this school year. Actually, at first we are so adamant if we are going to use Just Too Easy or we are going to shift to online classes because Smile had this online classes just this year. It is really our first time in history because of pandemic. That's why we shifted to online classes using this J2E as our LMS in school. And at first, when we started Just Too Easy, we had a hard time actually, to be frank. But as time went by, Just Too Easy was just an easy thing for all of us. And until now, we make use Just Too Easy as part of our online classes. So our school primarily used this as our LMS for preschool and was supposedly only our secondary LMS for elementary and high school. However, it has easily become the primary LMS for the intermediate level as well as high school. So the learners prefer it over our other LMS for receiving lessons. For our preschool, we are also using the J2E as our replacement for whiteboard, visual aids, and projector. We use Just Too Easy aside from as our primary LMS in school. We use this also to entertain our students. Like we have the spelling blast and math games and exercises in J2E. They used also other features like the JIT5 and also the J2E5 for their artworks. Actually, our students find it very friendly because every time we tell them to make an artwork, they always suggest not to do it on a paper, but instead they will do it using the Just Too Easy, using the JIT5 and using the J2E5. Even as teachers, we use this as our tool in making our quizzes and exams, and it helps us a lot. The J2E5, it is a blank paper, right? So it's like a bond paper, and we're just putting everything there. We're typing and encoding all our quizzes there. So we deployed quizzes and exams every month. So we will show it to the children. We will deploy to the accounts of the children. Right after that, they have to answer it in a given time within 2 hours, or sometimes if we are a bit strict within 1 hour. Then right after that, they will share back and we will check, and after checking, we will share back to the account of the children, and then they can see, so with the parents can check with the work of their children and with the answers of their children. Taken last December. So just to make full use of the J2E, aside from writing and answering, we let them record. For example, define the following using an embedded voice clip. So Ratio can let's try to hear it. Let's listen.
Ratio is a comparison of two or more values.
That's the definition of ratio, and this is the definition of proportion.
Proportion shows the equality of two ratios.
Even our preschool teachers, the preschool department use J2E 100% every day in their lessons. For them, it's really, they are already introduced to this J2E, and in a long run, in time, they're able to use J2E with ease, and it's already a simple thing for them to do every day, and we don't need to explain further as a teacher what to do in J2E because they themselves explore during offline classes. And mind you, when we had our Zoom classes, they will also give feedback. Teacher Jed, would you like to use J2E using these apps? this is how to use this is how to explore this. So not only as teachers will give learnings and will impart learnings to our children, but these millennials will explore further using this J2E, and so at the end of the day, they are more knowledgeable than us teachers. Even my children, I have two children, a grade 1 and a grade 4 daughter of mine. If I encountered trouble in using J2E, I will ask her help. I will call her to help me what to do using the J2E. If I can clearly remember, I don't know how to embed voice, so I called her up right away. Okay, what will I press so that I can embed my voice? So I asked my daughter to help me in using J2E because she is more actually knowledgeable than I. We are so excited what Just2Easy can give us for the school year 2020-2021. I know with the very bright technical team and the people behind Just2Easy, you can give us more about Just2Easy, wherein we can apply in our school and in which we can gain more enrollees this school year, because we are proud to introduce Just2Easy. In fact, we ask also some of our parents to be the marketing managers of our school to introduce Just2Easy to other parents around the community, because I personally, as a teacher, I am proud that we are using J2E as our LMS, one of our LMS in school, in which our children are also very much okay with the J2E. We teachers are very comfortable in using J2E. Even parents now are very knowledgeable in using J2E because they are the one assisting the little ones from preschool to grade 1, or maybe at the most grade 3. We really expect that parents are assisting their children in using and exploring J2E. So they themselves are product also of J2E this school year 2020-2021.
Sentence that I am pointing at.
The cat is on the mat.
The mat. Very good. Where is the cat?
It's on the mat.
Very good.
And the little fish swam in his dish. He blew bubbles and made a wish. All he wanted was another fish to swim with in his little dish.